Matco brushless cordless impact wrench family is expanding. Our current line of Stubby Impact Wrenches offers reduced size without reduced power. Each Stubby features a powerful brushless motor and patented impact mechanism, creating a tool at less than 5 inches in length and top-of-the-line performance. The 3 drive sizes allow techs to handle a variety of applications with optimal accessibility and performance. Each Stubby features a dual-element LED light with time delay for greater illumination in poorly lit environments. Each tool is equipped with a variable speed trigger for precise speed control and accuracy. Matco's 16-volt cordless Stubby Impact Wrenches come in 3 colors for each drive size and are available individually or in a kit version, which includes 2 16-volt batteries, a high-powered charger, and a carrying case. For more information, contact your Matco Tools distributor today.